Hello guys, let's look at the horses here kasi andito sila and they're actually tinitingnan na nila ako. Sabi, Haul, ano ginagawa mo dito? Ayan sila, oh, you're so cute. Hi, how are you? Hello. Oh, na hindi kayo tatakbo. Ayan. Hello. Hi. How are you? Ang ganda. Ayan oh, ang ganda nila. Wow. Ayan pa. How are you? Kamusta? Hi! Yan. Gaganda nila guys. Ayan. Hello! Hello! Ayan, nakatingin lang sila sa akin. Like, anong ginagawa mo dito? Sorry, I don't have anything in my hands. Ayun, oh, may paparating. Hello! Thank you for coming. How are you? Hi! 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 Ayun, pinapit niya ako. Ang cute naman. Thank you. I don't have anything. I'm so sorry. I know. I don't have. I'm sorry. Ang cute niya. Salamat for coming. Ayan. Thank you. Thank you.